I'm going to show you all how to create a drop-down box within a cell in Google Sheets. There are lots of reasons that you might want to do this, but in this scenario, I'm using a Google Sheet that I've shared with my teammates, and it's for field trip planning. So the first thing that we're going to do is I've got my planning tasks and the date that I want to have them done on this tab, and on the other one, I have a list of my team members. So for this column, for the responsibility, I want to create a drop-down box with a list of my group members on it. So I'm going to click in the cell, go up to Data, and come down to Data Validation. And here I'm going to use a list from Arrange since I already have my team members listed over here. So I'm going to choose List from Arrange, and I can either type in the range that I want and they show me the format that I need to do that, or I can click here to select the data range, and it's asking me what data. So I'm going to come over here to my team members, and I'm going to highlight those, and it's telling me where that is, and I'm going to click OK. I want to show the drop-down list in a cell, and I'm going to click Save. And so now when I go back to my other tab, right here I can see that I have a drop-down box with the people on my team, so I can quickly label whose responsibility it is. And if I want that to go all the way down, I can just go right here to the corner and drag it down, and it fills in all those cells for me. Okay, another option is if I just want to do yes or no, I can go to Data, Data Validation, and I can choose a list of items. And so I'm going to enter these items separated by a comma and no spaces. Yes or no, I want to show the drop-down list, and I'm going to save it. And so now when I click there, I've got yes or no as an option. And again, I can drag that down to populate that whole column.
Get involved with Kentucky Go Digital. Attend regional events, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on Twitter.